Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Ricky here with another SPY technical analysis and my thoughts. This is based on Friday's close, February 6th, 2026. SPY closed at 690.62. On my video last Friday, January 30th, SPY closed around 691. So after a full week of trading with some sell-off and snapback, SPY is basically back to the same spot, which is the basis chop zone. The monthly trend is still up and price is still above the monthly basis. The weekly trend is also still up and price is still holding above the weekly basis. So weekly buyers are still in control. And on the daily trend is mixed to slightly up. Price snapped back from the lower band area and bounced hard back to the basis. So price is barely above the daily basis here. So also the slope here is flat to slightly up. Lastly, on the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour trend is mixed. The last 4-hour candle barely reclaimed the 4-hour basis, which puts it in the middle area. The structure shows a sharp recovery from the lower band area back to the basis, but price is now near the 4-hour basis where chop often appears. So big picture summary, the alignment is mixed to up because the higher time frames, the monthly and the weekly, are up, but the daily and the 4-hour are both sitting right on their basis at this moment. And now for my thoughts. As always, I'm sharing this for educational purposes only and not financial advice. So with SPY at this current spot, this is the worst middle zone for any new trade really, because price is within 1 to 2 points of both the daily and the 4-hour basis, pretty much right on it actually. So both sides have immediate basis friction, and price usually just chop around here, in this area. So usually I stay flat here. So for example, in this lower band area, price was trading at an extreme here, which increased the snapback risk. So that created a good aggressive long trade setup here for a bounce back to the basis. But now that price is back to this middle zone area, whipsaw risk is high because the 4-hour has been crossing its 4-hour basis back and forth, up and down recently. So for a long, I would want to see price move away from the basis, and I would want to see a new 4-hour candle print clearly above the 4-hour basis, and also a new daily candle to print above the daily basis before I can think about a new aggressive long, and the opposite for the short scenario. So until then, at this spot here, I will stay flat and I will reassess again on Monday. So that's all for today. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.